transistor. See, trans word has come from transfer. Istor is from resistor. तो दोनों को मिला तो इट इज ट्रांसफर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस जैसा हो गया ना. That means a device which can control flow of current by transferring resistance is called as transistor. It is also called as amplifier, as it amplifies weak current. Right, meaning of transistor. Then we'll see construction, working.
Done, sir.
Okay. So a device which can control flow of current by transferring resistance is called as transistor. It is called as amplifier, as it amplifies weak current. मत लिखो, signal लिख दो. Weak signal, current cancel. Weak signal. Can I clear now this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Construction of transistor. When two PN junction are connected together, then device obtained is called as transistor. There are two types of transistor. First, PNP transistor. In this case, N type is sandwiched between two P types. N is sandwiched मतलब देखो, सैंडविच में ऊपर ब्रेड, नीचे भी ब्रेड रहता है ना. हेलो.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
तो दिस इज लाइक, ये एक ब्रेड, ये दूसरा ब्रेड, बीच में मसाला. सो दिस इज PNP. N is sandwiched between two p type. Got it? Meaning sandwich
sir.
matlab kya? Haan, yes. Just write, then second one, then diagram we'll see. When two PN junctions are connected together, then device obtained is called transistor. There are two types of transistor, P and P. In this case, N is sandwiched between two P types.
Done, sir.
Okay. Second one, N, P, N. In this case, there are, in this case, P type is sandwiched between two N type. Between two N types. Block diagram is as shown. A, P and P. P, N, P, and they are sandwiched back to back. Outer two, one is called emitter, other is called collector, middle one is called base. N, P, N. N outside, बीच में sandwich P type. Collector, emitter, base. Yes, draw this right and then draw.
Done, sir.
Okay. In transistor, outer two layers are similar. It is called as emitter and collector. The middle dissimilar layer is called as base. If I compare myself, yourself, and our classroom, this is like transistor. Teacher student get sandwiched in the classroom. So who should study more and come, or who should have earlier studied more and then come? Student or teacher? Yes, because he is going to emit. No, teacher, he is going to emit ना.
Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ के आना चाहिए क्या? क्या थोड़ा बहुत
No.
पढ़ के आना चाहिए?
थोड़ा बहुत करना चाहिए.
थोड़ा बहुत मतलब वो डायरेक्टली फर्स्ट से 12th में नहीं आ सकता है ना. आया तो क्या समझेगा? So can I say emitter is heavily doped? मतलब उसके पास एक्स्ट्रा बहुत कुछ है ना,
Yes.
तो उसका डोपिंग ज्यादा. एंड कलेक्टर का डोपिंग कम. बेस का नेग्लिजिबल ना, वो तो क्लासरूम है, वो दीवार को क्या जरूरत है पढ़ने के लिए. तो कैन आई से एमीटर मस्ट बी हेवीली डोप, कलेक्टर मस्ट बी लाइटली डोप एंड बेस मस्ट बी नेग्लिजिबली डोप. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
किसका दिमाग का साइज ज्यादा है? स्टूडेंट का, क्या टीचर का, क्या क्लासरूम का? मुझे तो स्टूडेंट लगता है, वो 4 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ता है. फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री कॉमन, देन मैथ्स, बायो और ऑल द 4 प्लस लैंग्वेज. तो कौन ज्यादा रिटेन करने वाला है, ज्यादा टॉपिक? कलेक्टर. हाँ, कलेक्टर. तो उसका दिमाग का साइज ज्यादा ना, so collector is widest in size, less in doping as compared to emitter. So can I say emitter is heavily doped, collector is moderately doped, base is very lightly doped?
Yes.
Then
Yes, sir.
emitter is moderate in size, collector is larger in size and base is thinnest. डायग्राम में हम लोग ने इक्वल एमिटर इक्वल कलेक्टर बताया, बट एक्चुअली कलेक्टर बड़ा साइज का रहता है. क्लियर दिस आल्सो?
Yes, sir.
व्हिच चैप्टर वी आर डूइंग?
Semiconductor.
किससे बनता है ये? सिलिकॉन और जर्मेनियम से बनता है ना.
हाँ.
अगर आप न्यूज देखते रहेंगे तो ये सेमीकंडक्टर चिप्स का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है ना,
Oh,
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का. हैव यू हर्ड दिस एनीवेयर?
oh.
हाउ यू गॉट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन? somebody told, और न्यूज या आपने गाड़ी बीड़ी खरीदने के लिए गए, उसने बोला कि लेट मिलेगा क्योंकि अभी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ज्यादा नहीं हो रहा है ड्यू टू सेमीकंडक्टर शॉर्टेज.
The news.
न्यूज में देखा. यस. सो इफ यू गो टू सम कार शॉप, ऐसा वीकेंड में ऐसे घूमते घूमते जाओ, और सम ऑफ योर फेवरेट ब्रांड यू वांट, तो उसको बोलो मुझे 15 दिन में चाहिए, वो बोलेगा नहीं 6 महीना लगेगा. तो आप पूछना क्यों, तो आपको रीजन बताएगा कि ऑल दिस व्हीकल्स नाउ दे आर सेमीकंडक्टर कंट्रोल, है ना, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंट्रोल रहता है ना सब. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
उसके अंदर यही रहता है, ट्रांजिस्टर विथ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मॉडिफिकेशन. सो द outer two similar layers are called as emitter collector, and middle dissimilar is called base. The emitter is heavily doped, collector is moderately doped, and base is very lightly doped. Right, this much statement. Say I love this chapter and I enjoy this chapter, not for sake of mark and all, but मजा आता है ये चैप्टर. सबसे बोरिंग मुझे लगता है वो इलास्टिसिटी वाला चैप्टर. कॉपी दिस मच.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next paragraph. The emitter is moderate in size. Collector is widest and base is thinnest. Right? symbolic representation is as shown. NPN. PNP.
Done, sir.
This is circle. Circle indicates full transistor. ये बीच वाला base. Then draw two lines like this. से emitter collector दोनों एक जैसा है. Arrow indicates emitter in the circuit. Wherever arrow comes, that is emitter. So outer two similar layers are collector emitter. Are collector emitter. Middle is base. Middle is base. But to identify collector emitter, there is arrow in the emitter region which indicates direction of flow of current. Current flows from where to where?
Positive to negative.
Correct. So apna N, P, N, current will be like this, na? So can I show diagram like this? This is
Yes.
P, N, P. तो इसका emitter में current ऐसा उल्टा जाएगा ना? From emitter to base. Both symbolic followed?
Yes, sir.
So sometimes they will give diagram and they will put arrow and they will not tell type of the transistor. They will ask this transistor is of which type. So you check the arrow, it should be from positive to negative. So PN, bhar N to upar bhi N, NPN. Then PN, bhar P, upar bhi P. From that I can get idea whether NPN or PN. It's complete, this much. So always there is arrow in the emitter region which points in the direction of flow of current, positive to negative.
Done, sir.
Wait, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Working of transistor. How many transistors are there? Two. NPN and PNP?
Yes.
So first I'm taking NPN and just checking how it will work. NPN. N contains majority carrier as positive whole. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell how many layers are there?
3.
How many layers? 3. One layer is emitter, other layer is collector, and third layer is base. And how many junction you can see? 2, no? This is one junction and this is another. How many junction you can see?
2.
And how many layer you can see?
3.
3.
3.
To bias one junction, we require how many batteries? To bias one junction, we require how many batteries?
1.
1.
1, correct? So 2 junction, how many battery?
2.
Very
2.
good, very good. How many types of biasing we know?
2.
Forward and reverse, correct. So when base emitter junction is made forward biased, देखते हैं क्या होगा. Forward means minus minus के साथ, plus plus के साथ connected. This voltage I am calling VBE between base and emitter. This negative terminal will repel this negative electron towards the junction,
Yes.
and positive will repel positive hole towards the junction.
Yes.
That means electron will diffuse with the positive holes. मतलब एमिटर में अगर 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन है 100, तो बेस में खाली 5 होल है ना, तो ये 5 जब इधर से आएगा इसके साथ डिफ्यूज होएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
एंड सम इलेक्ट्रॉन, मतलब 5 तो फिर 2 हो गया, 95 बच गया. सम इलेक्ट्रॉन विल एंटर इन द बेस, ऐसा बेस रीजन. तो इसमें से करंट उल्टा फ्लो होएगा ना, ऐसा.
Yes.
रिमेनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन एमिटर कलेक्टर में एंटर हो जाएगा ना. नहीं समझा? फिर से देखो, ये एमिटर है, ये बेस है, इसका इतने ही देखा तो ये मैंने किया पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, तो इधर से चार्जेस क्रॉस होएगा ना ऐसा जंक्शन में.
Yes.
ये इलेक्ट्रॉन बेस में जाएगा ना, तो करंट उल्टा जाएगा क्या नहीं?
हाँ.
तो ये वाला पार्ट में इधर से इलेक्ट्रॉन आया, थोड़ा इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके अंदर गया, तो ये करंट उल्टा डायरेक्शन में दिया, जिसको बोलते हैं बेस करंट. एनी डाउट? सब इलेक्ट्रॉन बेस में जाएगा तो ये डायोड बन जाएगा ना, पीएन जंक्शन डायोड. मतलब खर्चा किया 2 जंक्शन का, बट वी आर यूटिलाइजिंग ओनली 1, तो वेस्ट ऑफ मनी हो गया ना.
Yes.
That means our third collector also should be utilized. Now
Yes.
I want current should flow in the circuit. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहर आना चाहिए ना.
Yes, sir.
बाहर आने को ड्रिफ्टिंग बोलते हैं क्या डिफ्यूजिंग बोलते हैं इधर? Drift. So electron from collector should be drifted out. That means should be pulled out. Who will pull negative electron?
Positive.
Positive terminal. So negative is connected to positive. Forward biased or reverse?
Reversed.
Reverse. मतलब बेस एमिटर कौन सा बायस?
Forward.
हाँ. एंड बेस कलेक्टर कौन सा बायस?
Reversed.
रिवर्स. वेरी गुड. सो इसको ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन खींचने का है ना बाहर, क्योंकि खुद का भी इलेक्ट्रॉन खींचेगा, एमिटर से जो आया उसको भी खींचेगा, तो ये वोल्टेज थोड़ा लाइन ज्यादा दिखाना. दैट मींस दिस वोल्टेज इज स्लाइटली ग्रेटर देन बेस एमिटर वोल्टेज. सो दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन कम्स आउट, कलेक्टर ऐसा जाएगा ना रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में. करंट, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
तो इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐसा 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 गया, तो इसका करंट नीचे आया एमिटर. इधर से करंट आया 2 टुकड़े में डिवाइड हो गया है ना. ये बेस में गया कलेक्टर में. तो सर्किट कंप्लीट लग रहा है ना आपको क्या नहीं? हेलो. हेलो।
Yes, sir.
तो इधर से करंट आया 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 आया, इधर दो पार्ट में आई बी आई सी, मतलब सर्किट कंप्लीट हुआ ना।
Yes, sir.
So this is working of NPN transistor. Again, see. Again. अरे यार क्या हो गया? Working of NPN transistor. Working of NPN. Working of NPN transistor. Again, I'm repeating. Can you hear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In NPN transistor, outer two similar layer emitter collector contains majority carrier as negative electron. Middle layer base contains majority carrier as positive hole. First paragraph. I hope you have understood. When base emitter is made forward biased with battery VBE, then electrons from emitter enters the base, diffuses positive hole, and some electrons enter in base circuit producing base current IB. Clear? No?
Yes, sir.
Next paragraph. When base collectors are made reverse bias, then electron from emitter enters the base, then to the collector, and are drifted out with base collect with battery VBC and produces collector current IC. Let IE be the emitter current. IE is coming out or going in? See the diagram? IE
Coming
is
out.
coming out. Coming out is taken positive or negative by Kirchhoff's current law?
Positive.
Negative. Entering is positive, leaving is negative, no?
Yes.
So IE is leaving, IB is entering, IC is entering, so total is 0. So can I say IE will be IB plus IC?
Yes.
This is working of transistor. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Just draw the diagram, then I will explain working. Draw diagram. This comes for 3 marks in the exam. Completed diagram? Only complete the diagram part. Completed?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Consider an PN transistor. The outer two similar layers called as emitter and collector contains majority carrier as negative electrons. The middle layer called as base contains majority carrier as positive holes. When base emitter junction is made forward biased with the help, okay, copy this one.
Done, sir.
Okay. When base emitter junction is made forward biased with the help of battery VBE, then electrons from emitter enters base and diffuses positive holes. Some electrons enters in base region and produces base current IB. When base collector junction is made reverse.
Sir,
Yes,
some electrons enters, right?
pardon.
Some electrons enters in base region.
Some electron enters and produces base current. When base collector junction is made reverse biased with the help of battery BBC, then electrons from emitter goes to base and then okay, just copy this much. And electron goes from emitter, then electrons from emitter goes to base and then to collector and are drifted out. ऐसा लिखने वाला हूं. Copy this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. So electrons from emitter goes to base and then to collector and then to collector and are drifted out, drifted outwards, producing collector current IC. Let IE be emitter current. Therefore, by Kirchhoff's current law, minus IE plus IB plus IC is 0. So IE equal to IB plus IC. This is working of transistor. That means collector current and base current ka addition is called emitter current. Complete till end. One numerical, mostly it will come on this topic. IE equal to IB plus IC. And theoretical MCQs from that junction diode part.
Done, sir.
Okay. Circuit diagram for working of NPN transistor. Can you tell me who is base? This horizontal one or vertical one?
Horizontal.
This line, this is base. If this is NPN type, NPN. So there should be arrow here. This is emitter. Okay. Correct now?
Yes.
Base emitter is which biased? Forward.
Forward.
Forward. So N is connected to negative and P is connected to positive. This is VBE. So this electron comes down. This will be base current IB. Here IE. Any doubt? Is this much part? No doubt, now.
No, sir.
And base collector is reverse biased. So N is connected to positive and this is connected to negative. So electron goes from emitter to the base, then to emitter. So collector current ऐसा आएगा ना, उल्टा. So that means this is IB, IC, IC, IB, IE. इधर आएगा IB, IB इधर, IC उधर. In base current we get IB outside. So electron enters from emitter to base. So current is in this direction. This is actually IE coming here, getting divided into two parts. ऐसा diagram. This is IE. Diagram clear? Tell me, diagram clear now?
Yes, sir.
IE comes here, gets divided into two parts. Draw. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir, done.
Exactly same. Now for PNP, only the thing now current will be carried by positive hole. So PNP transistor. PNP transistor. Draw diagram. This is P, N, P, outer two similar layer are emitter collector containing majority carrier as positive holes, middle layer base as majority carrier as negative electron. Base emitter junction is made forward biased with the help of battery VBE. So positive holes enters from emitter to the base which diffuses negative electron, and some positive hole enters in the base producing base current IB. When base collector is made reverse biased with the help of battery VBC, plus side negative, minus side positive with the help of battery VBC. Then the positive holes from emitter enters the base, then to collector and are drifted out, which produces collector current IC. Let IE be the emitter current. So this time see IE is entering and IB, IC are leaving. Total is 0. So IE will be IB plus IC. Okay. So working is similar. Na? We got end mein IE equal to IB plus IC. Followed a PNP also?
Yes, sir.
Just draw the diagram, then I will give you in writing part entire theory.
Done, sir.
Okay. Consider a PNP transistor. The outer two similar layers are called as emitter and collector. As majority carrier, as positive poles, and middle layer base has majority carrier as negative electron. When base emitter junction is made forward biased with the help of battery VBE, then positive poles enters base and diffuses negative electrons. Some poles enters in base region producing base current IB. Copy this much.
Done, sir.
अलवाई नहीं आई सर ने आपको फोन किया आपने उठाया नहीं। Base current ID. Next paragraph. When base collector is made reverse biased with the help of battery VBC, then positive holes from emitter enters collector and are drifted out, producing collector current IC. Let IE be the emitter current. Therefore, by Kirchhoff's current law, IE minus IB minus IC is 0. Therefore, IE is IB plus IC. This is working of transistor, right?
Done, sir.
Circuit diagram for PNP transistor. Base, arrow indicates emitter. So because it is PNP, that means arrow will be pointing inward from positive to negative. Base emitter forward biased, minus plus. This is emitter current. In this region is base current IB. N is connected to P, and P is connected to N, reverse biased VBC, VBE. Negative electron goes outside emitter, the positive hole comes. Hello? Enters to the base, then to collector. So this will be collector current IC. Draw diagram now.
Done, sir.
Okay. Two definition, then one relation we are doing, then we'll stop. Common emitter current gain. Common base current gain. Whichever is kept common, the ratio here, it is, see, whenever gain or loss, that means you have to compare. So it is ratio of collector current with the current which is not kept common. So emitter is not kept common, that means it is a collector and base. So the ratio of collector current to base current is called as common emitter current gain. It is denoted by beta. Therefore, beta equal to IC upon IB. It is always greater than 1. Usually, it lies between 50 and 200. Right definition of beta? The ratio of collector current to the base current is called as common emitter current gain.
Done, sir.
Common base current gain. Next one. Heading written common base current gain.
Yes.
It is defined as the ratio of collector current IC and the emitter current IE. It is given by alpha equal to IC upon IE. It is always less than 1. Copy.
So
Yes.
after collector current, you have written IB. It should be IC.
अरे ऐसा तो आगे आगे का सोच रहा हूँ लगता है। I see.
Done, sir.
Okay. Obtain relation between alpha and beta. Mostly numerical I said, IE मतलब इस पे ही आएगा mostly. Since for transistors IE equals to IB plus IC. So therefore IE upon IC is IB upon IC plus IC upon IC. What is IE upon IC? Can I say 1 upon alpha?
Alpha.
This is 1 upon beta plus 1. So 1 upon alpha is 1 plus beta upon beta. Taking invertendo, so alpha is beta upon 1 plus beta. Okay. Alpha is less than 1. So denominator is greater than numerator. 1 plus beta. Copy. So alpha is beta upon 1 plus beta.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now same thing. I'm just writing in terms of beta. So just I cross multiply. This is alpha plus alpha beta equal to beta. Therefore, alpha equals to beta minus alpha beta. So beta common 1 minus alpha. Therefore, beta equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. Right.
Done, sir.
That's all for today.